I recently tried the Axisy Dark Spot Correcting Glow Toner, and my initial impressions are quite positive. The first thing that caught my attention was the fine, steam-like mist. It's incredibly refreshing and ensures an even, lightweight application. My skin immediately felt soothed and hydrated after just one spritz. The toner is enriched with powerful ingredients like 5% niacinamide, squalane, and glutathione, which are known for their brightening and detoxifying properties. Even after a few uses, I can already see a subtle radiance starting to build in my complexion. The toner promises to reduce dark spots, and while it's too soon to see significant results, I'm optimistic given its impressive ingredient list. One of the most remarkable aspects is how quickly it calms the skin. The clinical claim of a 15% reduction in redness within 10 seconds of application seems accurate. My skin did feel instantly more balanced and less irritated after using it. Overall, my first impression is that the Axisy Dark Spot Correcting Glow Toner is a fantastic addition to any skincare routine, especially for those looking to brighten their complexion and reduce dark spots over time. I'm excited to see the long-term effects with continued use,